Hey, beautiful moms-to-be. You're in the final stretch, and I know it's exciting, nerve-wracking, and maybe even a little overwhelming. But don't worry. Welcome to Diaper Days, your go-to channel for all things pregnancy and baby care. Today, we're diving into the ultimate third trimester survival guide so you can step into labor with confidence. Grab a comfy seat, and let's get into it. What really happens in the third trimester? All right, let's get real. The third trimester is no joke. Your belly's bigger, your energy is lower, and sleep. What's that? But understanding your body's changes can make all the difference. Quick must-knows. Stay hydrated. Your body is working overtime. Eat iron-rich foods. Combat that third trimester fatigue. Sleep on your left side. Helps with circulation and baby's position. Keep moving. Light exercises like prenatal yoga can do wonders. Is this labor? Spotting the signs. Baby's coming, but how do you know when it's go time? Here's what to watch for. Your baby drops lower into your pelvis. Cramps and lower back pain that doesn't go away. Frequent bathroom trips. Yeah, even more than before. Mucus plug? Gone. Contractions that get stronger, longer, and closer together. Water breaking? No doubt. It's time to go. Hospital bag. What you actually need. Okay, let's be honest. We all tend to overpack. But here's what you really need for labor and delivery. For mama, comfy nightgown and robe. Trust us, you'll want it. Nursing bra and maternity pads. Toiletries and skincare. Labor is sweaty business. For baby, soft onesies and swaddles. First diapers and wipes. Cute going home outfit. For those first pics. For your partner, snacks. Labor can take a while. A change of clothes. Headphones and something to watch, pillow and blanket. Yep, they'll need it too. The birth plan breakdown. Birth plans don't have to be complicated, but they are important. Think of it as your labor wish list. Key questions to answer. Do you want an epidural? Who's in the room with you? Do you want delayed cord clamping? Immediate skin-to-skin contact? Breastfeeding or formula feeding first? Mamas, you've got this. Labor can feel overwhelming, but with the right prep, you'll be ready to welcome your little one with confidence. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment sharing where you are in your pregnancy journey. Until next time, this is Diaper Days, wishing you a happy and healthy birth.